All right, so now we're gonna open SigMod. This plugin is extremely easy to use, but very, very powerful. Now this plugin is at the bottom of my chain. Reason I use it for the mono button. Believe it or not, every now and then I like to check my mix and mono. My DAW of choice, which is Tools, doesn't have this option. A lot of DAWs do, but Tools doesn't, and that's fine. So I'm gonna play my mix. Let's take it in and out of stereo and see what happens.
Destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing. Awake to the ways of the world and destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing. Awake to the ways of the world and destruction. Got the young kids going to war, taking a fall. They out the door, never knowing what's in store. Fighting battles for a demon, political wrong reasons causing you to lose limbs. It seems like it's all treason. False information throughout.
So you could definitely hear what it's doing. Now what I want you to do is pay attention to the lead sample. You're gonna hear it a lot more there. So let's find that.
Ways of the world and destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing. Awake to the ways of the world and destruction. Got the young kids going to war.
Now I get it, it's 2018. We shouldn't be using mono, but hear me out. You ever go to a mall or store? They have one speaker at a corner and that's all you hear. You want your mix to translate there too. But enough of that, let's continue with the plugin. All right, so let's see what this plugin can do. So we're gonna click right here. And over here is gonna give you some abilities to customize the plugin. So you have phase. If you don't want phase, click that. You wanna keep mono, protect. And if we go back, so all we have is this mono button. But if we want a little bit more, we could click option here. Inset modules, you got mid-side, mono/solo, tap, phase, mono, switch, delay, crossover, trim, DC, offset, and protect. So you can click whatever you want. If you want to add mid-side, you can.
Destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing.
That's pretty awesome. Let's play that back.
Destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing. Awake to the ways of the world and destruction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting.
Also, we can change the locations. As you can see now, the mono's here and mid-side is right here. And it does the same exact thing.
Destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing.
I'm able to hear all my effects on the right side.
Destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting.
Now, because this plugin could do a lot, let's just take a look at some of the presets. The reason I'm going to do this, I'm going to make more videos about this. I'm going to dive into this plugin a lot more. There's so much to cover here. If we click this option here, it's going to bring up all the presets. So you have installed, and then you have users, and we could take a look at everything here. As you can see, master bus, line up 2, multiple options, LR operator, MS operator, failsafe, leveler. We go next, and we have a couple of more things here. So let's just click one of these and let's see what happens. So I click 17, strange things.
Destruction. Watch them gravitate to malfunction. Corruption. The ways of the world to keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing. Awake to the ways of the world and destruction. To keep busting. Trusting. Only myself I keep cussing. Awake to the ways of the world and destruction. Got the young kids going to war, taking a fall. They out the door, never knowing what's in store. Fighting battles for a demon, political wrong reasons. This whole nation looking out for salvation from this
Another thing you might have noticed, we also have phase capability within this plugin. So you can always test the polarity. Again, another feature that's extremely useful, some DAWs don't come with this feature. So having this plugin, you can customize the interface to your choosing. And talking about phase, there's a preset here for phase. So I'm going to close that.
Destruction. Watch them gravitate to mouth. Corruption. Trusting. Only my. Destruction.
So the nice people over at New Gen Audio pretty much covered all the presets. Now the next thing I'm going to show you, I have used this plugin to test my left and right. And I know that probably seems silly because you can go to your DAW and you have your left and right. When I create these videos, I actually go out to an external converter. There's a lot of wires, and it's happened to me before where I have the right on the left and the left on the right. And when I play back the video on the headphones, you can hear me telling you guys, well, if we listen to the right side, and it's actually playing on my left side. Again, I know it's silly, but it works. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So over here, you have a left and right. So I want to disable the right. So I'm going to just click it.
The malfunction, corruption, the ways of the world to keep busting.
So I'm able to hear my left. Turned off the left. Now I'm going to turn on the right.
The malfunction, corruption, the ways of the world to keep busting. Only myself I keep cussing.
As I said earlier, extremely silly. I can use the mixer for that, but it works. This is the second plugin that I own by NewGen Audio. I have their Master Check, another plugin that's within my template, and it's a fantastic plugin. So I suggest check the description and give this a try. And I would love to hear what you guys think of this plugin. If I missed anything, let me know. So if this is the first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, check the description, press the bell for future notifications. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.